Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to create multiple drives or multiple virtual disk. Pretty easy and straightforward. We're going to open our server manager. Then you go to tools and you choose computer management. Let's have this expand. And then under that, you have disk management. You click disk management. And then on your right hand side, you see more options. So you click that and then you click create virtual hard drive. Here, we're just going to name, we're going to select where it's going to be, the location. So you click browse. All right, so we're going to put it under the C drive. Okay, so you can name it, let's see, data. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Put it here, data. And then the size, let's say, let's give it 10 gig. And then you click OK. This is it right here. The next step is to right click on this Initialize Disk. You choose the MBR and then you click OK. Then you right click here, new simple volume, and then this wizard pop up. You click next. You can assign any alphabet to the D drive. Unfortunately, there is no D here, so we can give it G, and then you click next. Here you can label the drive as data, and you click next and finish. Just wait for a couple of seconds. All right, so let's go back to our folder here, computer. All right, you see we have extra drive here of 10 gig. All right, so we're going to create another one. Same steps. You click more options. You click create VHD. Let's browse to where you want to keep the location. You can say log or whatever you want to name it. And then save. Let's give it 10 gig. Or let's give it 5 gig. And then you click OK. You come to the disk here. Right click. Let's initialize the disk. You click OK. And then you come here and you right click. New simple volume. And then the wizard pops up. You click next. Let's give it another alphabet here. Let me see. Let's just choose M. Next. You can label your drive. Whatever name, it's fine. Next. And finish. So let's have this minimized. Let's minimize that and let's come back here. So right now we have two disks. We have the G drive and we have the M drive. Okay. So we are all set. We are able to create additional virtual drives.